My name is Peter Naud Jr. This is Hammond Machine Works. We're a 117-year-old company. We are a job shop. Rail is about 90% of our work. We do some off-highway, some defense, but rail is the core of our business. We needed to have faster lead times for our customers. So we needed something in-house that could cut all the different materials we use, the thicknesses we use quickly, and that's why we went with Eagle. We purchased the 20K Inspire laser with the Cranemaster setup.
Eagle gives you the confidence to run the machine at full speed with all the parameters that it has set up in a safe way. It's a very reliable machine.
So the ROI on the machine, we expected, 5, 6, 7 years. We actually paid the machine off in 2. Eagle would be my first choice. The service has been top-notch. The machine is a workhorse. It is chewed through everything we've given it and more. I've never had an issue with the learning curve for somebody who has no experience with the machine, with the laser. So yes, Eagle would be my #1 choice.
First started off in Miami, Florida back in 1967. Now we are 7 divisions comprising of our legacy business with marine industry, agriculture components, also contract manufacturing, safety. We were starting to do a lot more in the way of plate processing, specifically half-inch material. This machine has basically allowed us to go have a dedicated product, so it's actually dominating the whole market now because of what Eagle has afforded us to get to. We have to unload parts a lot faster now. that was probably the big one in terms of what we had to do, changing the process of just having this much more coming off of a machine. Just having a tool like this just really elevates your position in that space. It feels like working with a family, and it shows through in their product. I mean, this machine is so far separated with how other people are doing things, like just in the laser space. They have my vote of confidence going forward. Highly recommend.
Everybody we have tour the shop. That's one of our highlights. Come check out our Eagle laser, and they come over there and a lot of people are standing there like, wow, we didn't know this thing could go that fast. The other thing that happened with the Eagle while we're doing that growth is that the efficiency comes up, and with efficiency comes profit margins. So we're able to see the profit margins increase in our shop because just everything is starting to flow in a rhythm.
So one of the key points, again, for getting the Eagle machine was the speed of how fast it went for such a big machine.
We often get the question, would you recommend an Eagle laser to someone else? And the answer is yes. And people say, explain yourself. And our first response is, here, come let me show it to you. Come look what this thing's doing. And once people get to see it, they sell themselves.
Hello, I'm Kendall Schrock from Schrock Fabrication. We're a fabrication and custom manufacturing company started in 2000. And the reason we purchased Eagle lasers is because we needed high volume capacity. In certain materials and certain thicknesses, there's a dramatic increase in throughput due to G-force increase and top speed of cutting. I would definitely recommend Eagle to other companies if they're looking to have a high-speed laser system that's reliable. Not only do I believe that Eagle is the best system, I also believe that Eagle Lasers has the best service in the industry by far.
Marzi is a job shop. My father and I started it back in 1988. 30K opened up a whole nother world in cutting thicker materials and everything else. Our growth in this last year with the 2 lasers is up 140%. It's a piece of equipment that is absolutely awesome. Being that it's built overseas didn't bother me one bit. The Eagle product should be recommended to anybody, as I feel, that is out there looking for a fiber laser. You're looking at the best that's built, the way that it's built, and the service behind it.
That was one of the main reasons why we bought the Eagle laser, because we were a growing company and we had we needed more flexibility.
So I took quite a bit of time researching different brands, visited a lot of shops locally that had all different types of lasers. And the Eagle was by far the fastest machine. The productivity of that acceleration makes a huge difference on how many parts you actually cut.
The difference between high-def plasma cutting and laser was night and day. I think so far it's been an outstanding product for us, and the backup, which is key in this business, and we had virtually no downtime at all since 2020. That's 4 years now.
The Eagle has been such a good experience, and I'm not afraid to put my neck out there and enthusiastically recommend that people buy an Eagle laser. So yeah, I recommend the Eagles all the time.
Hi, I am Alex Hofer, Operations Manager at Borderland Manufacturing, which is a part of Pembina Colony in Manitoba, Canada. We cut everything from 1 millimeter up to 40 millimeter in mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. The Eagle Inspire 2040, which we purchased, is by all means a very high quality machine. We purchased the automation with the Eagle machine, the Crane Master, and it's proven to be a game changer for us. It allows us to go 24 hours a day, and we have been able to increase our production 2 times due to that. Yes, I would recommend an Eagle laser to anybody that's looking for a high power machine, or any machine that they are looking for an increase in production and an increase in profits.